culture takes a lot for someone to really understand. You might be Igbo and just love the music, or you might not even be Igbo and just love the music. But understanding the culture and the kind of performance this beautiful legendary queen is giving is something else. The last video I made a mistake calling Obi Cubana a legend instead of Theresa Onurah, who has been an ancient singer in the entertainment industry, who has been entertaining the Igbos, our great grandfathers, our grandfathers up till this moment. Anyway guys, I'll be sharing with you some amazing moments when Obi Cubana actually hosted the queen herself at his Bubble Cubana in Abuja. It was a wonderful night and she gave her beautiful performance. You know her performance is always different, so expect the best. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment. Enjoy the video. Such an amazing talent in the building, and even though this video might not be long, because you know her performance are always very fiction. I don't know how spiritual, let me use the word, they're always very spiritual, so it's very difficult for you to really understand what she's doing. But if you understand her kind of music, like, it just sinks down into you. One day, I keep saying it, Igbo Amaka, and the beauty of Igbo, it's the culture, the heritage of the culture, the things the people do, and a lot more. You see how they celebrated her birthday in a very unique way. Loads and loads of big men from the Igbo land who maybe know her or don't even know her had to honor her and celebrate her for her impact in the Nigerian entertainment industry, or should I say the Igbo entertainment industry.